Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shape fill on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document, and you can see in my document a shape is already created. If you want to change this shape fill, just select it. After that click on shape format tab, and on the shape style option you can see shape fill option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can change your shape fill. Here you can see so many fill colors, and you can add any fill colors on the shape as you like. From here you can check your sample. If you want to add this color, just click here and you can see shape fill color has been changed successfully. Now if you want to get more colors, just click here again and then click on more fill colors, and that's it. Here you can see two options, standard and custom. If I select custom and then select any color and then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can add shape fill on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.